Hi, welcome back to the channel, friends. Today we are cooking up a simple, easy, and cozy turkey dinner. This 5-ingredient slow cooker turkey dinner is great for 2 people that don't want any fuss and simple, easy instructions. So if you're looking for that Thanksgiving vibe in a bowl with no fuss any time of year or even on Thanksgiving, we got a frugal meal for you that only cost me $10 to make. So if you're interested in that, let's get started. For this 5-ingredient turkey dinner, we just need a box of stuffing mix, a can of Campbell's cream of whatever. We're using cream of chicken, but you can use cream of mushroom or cream of celery. We're using 2 turkey thighs, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 2/3 cups of water. First, we're going to place the turkey into our slow cooker. Then after we washed our hands of the turkey juice, we're going to open our cream of chicken and place it into a small bowl. Then we add our milk to the soup. And mix that together. Then we're going to cover our turkey with it. Then in the same bowl, we're going to add our stuffing. And add our water in to hydrate it. And again, if you like from scratch cooking, you can make your own stuffing mix. This recipe is for anybody that doesn't want to work hard on Thanksgiving. This part of the turkey dinner is so easy that you can still open a can of corn or make green bean casserole or instant mashed potatoes, and you still have maybe 10 minutes worth of work involved into your turkey dinner. So now we're going to add our stuffing to the top. And we've only dirtied 2 measuring cups, a spatula, and a bowl. That's how easy this meal comes together. Now we're going to place our lid on and put it on low for 6 to 8 hours. For a quick and easy side, I'm going to use my canned potatoes from my garden and make mashed potatoes. I'm going to drain this off quick. So I'm going to turn on my stove to medium-low heat. So I'm going to put a few shakes of salt in here and a couple tablespoons of butter to make it better. So I'm just going to eyeball my milk, because I always do, and get that heated up through. Now that it's brought to a boil, I'm going to mash them. With my potato masher. I don't mind doing it this way because it's less dishes. Is that so? And if your potatoes are too runny because you added too much milk, you can always put in a cup or a quarter cup of potato flakes to thicken it up. I mean, instant potato flakes are really dehydrated potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my burner. And voila, instant potatoes with little work. I think that most people would think this is work, but I don't think it's work at all. Especially when the potatoes are really cooked. Alright, let's plate up our turkey dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, in this case it's turkey, but look how, actually, I don't think this coloring gives it justice. But this is hands-free, easy turkey dinner. So we're gonna plate some of these mashed potatoes on the plate. Then we're gonna grab our turkey thigh along with our stuffing. Now we just need a side order of green bean casserole, and you'll have a complete meal for a party of 2.
Oh, that looks good.
So we have a slow, hey,
It's good.
Thank
Real
you.
good.
I think the cat's saying they want some.
Well, you said for 2. Yeah, it's real good. Do you have the recipe for this?
Yes. It's a really simple meal with a turkey thigh cooked with chicken condensed soup and a box of stuffing and just cooked for 6 hours.
So it's real good.
It looks really hot.
Now that's a good meal for a cold day.
When it's snowing and you can't get out your lane.
Yeah, really. Yeah, really. You made this, the mashed potatoes with your home canned
Yes.
potatoes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you gave me a few jars, and I made the mashed potatoes. They turned out real good.
Mm-hmm. And it's probably quicker than the instant potatoes from the box.
I don't like instant
They're
potatoes.
still potatoes.
Yeah. If I was making it, I'd probably use potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't buy much instant anything.
Because you don't even own a microwave.
No, I don't. I don't want one.
If you made it this far into the video, may I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless.